This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make AI-generated reels. First, understand that AI tools can automate video production, saving significant time. You will learn to select appropriate AI platforms that align with your creative vision. We will cover how to input your ideas effectively to guide the AI in generating compelling visual and audio elements. This process simplifies content creation, making it accessible for everyone. Selecting the right AI tool is crucial for successful reel creation. Many platforms offer text-to-video features, transforming your script into dynamic visuals. Prioritize tools that provide a wide range of voiceover options and an extensive music library to enhance your reel's appeal. Also, ensure the platform allows for some level of customization, like adding your brand logo or making minor edits to the generated content. To craft your AI reel, begin by writing a clear and concise script, ideally for video 30 to 60 seconds in length. Your script should include key messages and calls to action. Next, input your script and select relevant keywords or themes to guide the AI in generating appropriate visuals and audio. Finally, review the AI-generated video carefully, making any necessary adjustments to ensure it flows well and accurately conveys your intended message. After generating your reel, consider adding human touches, such as a personalized intro or outro, to make it uniquely yours. Optimize your video for different social media platforms by adjusting aspect ratios, like 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for TikTok. This ensures your content looks great everywhere. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your digital experience. Share your amazing AI-generated reels with the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.